Do your research. I think there's a big difference between like finding a cheap way of doing things and then finding the affordable quality way to do things. So,
Hi, so I'm here at Wallapalooza now with Wes from BELLA+CANVAS.
hey, how's it going?
So I've already told you guys about BELLA+CANVAS, but Wes is gonna go ahead and give us the real tea, the real rundown, and see what we can come up with.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's show you what we got over here.
You just move on the camera.
Yeah. So you're familiar with the 3001. That's like the go-to standard shirt. So I didn't bring that today. I wanted to bring some of our more unique pieces that maybe people haven't seen or don't even know that we offer. So this right here is our new baby tee collection, which you've seen. We have 5 new silhouettes. This is really exciting because it's super popular right now. Everything 90s has come back in style,
Yeah.
of course. And so this is very all 90s inspired. Just about any retail store you go to right now, they for sure are gonna have like this silhouette here, this really cute muscle tank.
Literally saw it in Charlotte Russe and Forever 21.
Yeah, right. So here it is. You can have your own branded version for yourself, and so that's really cool. Some of the other stuff I brought today is from our Ford Fashion collection, which typically if there's something happening at retail, something at those places you just mentioned, it'll take like 3 years for the wholesale world to actually manufacture it, figure out that it's a trend, and like put it to the market. Our Ford Fashion collection is stuff that's happening right now. So if you are trying to run a fashion line for yourself, or you're just trying to beat the competition when you're doing like local gigs, you can bring like this cool new stuff to them. So let's say you're trying to like land the new gig for the school, you can come with all these cool styles that like the kids
They're wearing
want
now.
now.
Yeah.
So we have this cool raglan that's very very modern. It's tone on tone. You see that?
The black on black.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
It's real cool. It comes in a couple of different colors. I really like this myself.
This blue one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's real cool.
Yeah.
So if you're doing any kind of like elevated athletic brand or anything like that, this is great because this is awesome too, and it has its place. But then this is like it's something a little extra.
Yeah.
You know, it's real cool.
Okay.
So we got that. The shirt I'm wearing, this is our boxy tee, the 3010. So it's a little bit thicker cotton than that 3001. And it's a little looser. So you can see it's got kind of like a subtle drop shoulder. It's not like too aggressive. But this is real cool and pretty trendy. And it's still very BELLA+CANVAS while also being like a little bit more streetwear.
Yeah.
This one I gotta get you to feel on camera. This is
I saw like it's like soft and fuzzy.
Yeah, this is our
on
suede
the inside
fleece.
and out. Oh, okay. It's like Yeah.
Yep, so this is popular. We got joggers that match it as well, so if you want the full suede
full
set,
set, yeah.
you got it.
That's
So,
nice.
yeah, that's real cool. This is by far my favorite item
Yes,
right now.
this is mine too. Yeah, I love these like fleece crop top hoodies.
Yeah, isn't this real cool?
Yes.
Yeah,
I
love
have
this
one right
cord.
here. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, this is great. It's so different than just like the shoestring
Yeah.
tab that we got there. And then this is another really elevated
Okay, so it
hoodie
has
right
like
here.
a little like elastic right here.
Yeah,
so
that's
fits
it.
you a little bit
We got
more.
this cool detail on the sleeve.
Okay, this is the thing.
Yeah, so you're really going to stand out with items like this. So, yeah, this is all part of the Ford Fashion collection.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, lots of different colors. Our whole catalog, we got over 300 colors. So
Yeah.
whatever team, occasion, season, like we got whatever it is
Good to
we're
go.
trying to figure out.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And so one thing I do love about BELLA+CANVAS is that you guys do your dyeing in-house.
Yeah.
So
That's huge.
if I ordered this color red
Yeah.
today and I want it 6 months from now, I'm going to get that
Yeah,
same
you're
color
gonna get that
red.
same color.
Yeah.
And we test all of it. So every single lot that we run, we will test. We'll take a sample of it and then run it to make sure it actually matches the rest of it. So if it's a red 3001 from 4 years ago, we're still testing it to make sure that the one we just did this week is matching what it was then. So that's a really cool layer of quality control that a lot of other companies are just not doing. So yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, and we do all that dyeing in LA too. So We have the strictest water regulations in LA, so that just helps keep us accountable to make sure we're not overusing water, we're not polluting the water systems. It's all being cleaned out before being re-entered into the waterways. And we also, I think it's like 5 times less water than the average company dying. So yeah, just lots of really cool stuff.
Eco-friendly.
Very eco-friendly. Yeah, all of our scraps are being recycled. They like scrap fabric gets turned into baby bibs, dog bed stuffings, pillow stuffings, and we also got some cool stuff up our sleeve that's coming out later this year.
Okay.
That involves our recycled scraps.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what is like maybe a piece of advice you would give to the apparel decorators? Like, what is something you could give them, just advise them?
Sure. Well, definitely, do your research. I think there's a big difference between like finding a cheap way of doing things and then finding the affordable quality way to do things. So I want to encourage everyone to be looking out for quality, especially no matter what you're doing, you're putting your name on it.
Right.
And that's something that you worked hard for. You worked hard to even be in a position that you're making orders for somebody or decorating. So like make sure you're doing something that you can be proud of, that it's going to be a walking advertisement and billboard for you and your hard work, where it's being borne out in public. Whether that's the type of vinyl you use to the type of blank you use, you're worth it. So definitely get the quality that you deserve. So.
Invest in yourself.
Yeah, invest in yourself.
There we go.
Yeah, absolutely.
And okay, so what do you think about Bella Canvas that actually sets them apart from the rest?
The big thing is the manufacturing side of stuff. Like, it's the eco-friendly initiatives, it's the way employees are treated, the benefits that they're given. Just all of that is huge. The type of cotton, there's a lot of issues going on with the labor involved in the cotton that's being picked out elsewhere in the world. Bella Canvas is not a part of that. It's all sweatshop free, FLA certified, WRAP certified. So Bella Canvas is really doing its part to step up how they're doing manufacturing, and then also try to encourage the industry to make big changes as well.
So you're being innovators.
Yeah, definitely innovators.
I love that.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Wes.
Yeah, anytime. It's so great seeing you.
All right, guys, that is all the tea on Bella Canvas. And how can they get them to?
Yeah, hit us up. All of our social is at Bella Canvas. You can check out our website, bellacanvas.com. Yeah, we're everywhere.
Bye, guys.
See ya.